Hello, crypto experts. Today, we're discussing topics like Bitcoin, ETFs, the Bitcoin launch, and the first and second days of gains. We'll also explore why the ETFs might not be favorable for us Bitcoin holders. I'll explain everything in this video, so stay tuned. Hello, crypto experts. Welcome to my Twitter page. As you can see, I posted this yesterday regarding the first day of the ETF's launch. On the first day alone, we saw a whopping $720 million in play. Absolutely, it wasn't a bad day, but not exceptionally fantastic either. Nonetheless, you definitely made a substantial amount of money on that day. Bitwise, Fidelity, BlackRock, ARK, Franklin T, Galaxy, Inv, VanEck, Wisdom Tree, Valkyria, Grayscale. As you can see, Bitwise was in first place with $237.9 million raised. I had initially thought that BlackRock would take the lead, but Bitwise secured the top spot. Yes, let's talk about the second day of ETF launches. As you can see, after the $720 million on the first day, $7.8 billion was generated on the second day. We're talking about a scale here that, theoretically, if it continues like this, will completely skyrocket in the coming months. So, we will definitely keep an eye on it. All those following me on Twitter know that I mentioned a few days ago how happy I am that the ETFs were approved. I'll now explain exactly why. Let's talk about the Bitcoin chart I created. Here's a quick summary of what you're looking at. You see the bull run, the second to last one, and the last bull run marked in green. The second to last one went from December 11 to July 24. As you can see, the second to last bull run lasted 225 days until the correction. Then, the market corrected upwards. As you can see, in the second to last bull run, we reached $65,000. And in the last bull run, we almost hit $70,000 before the correction. As you can see, it dipped back to around $48,000. And then gradually declined. The good thing is that it didn't drop directly to $10,000 like on December 11th, but it stayed around $20,000. This was positive as it indicated a quicker recovery. Now, I'll show and explain why I'm not so optimistic about the next 30 days with the ETFs. As you can see, it shot up to the $49,000 mark on the launch day and then quickly dipped back down to the $45,000 mark. Let's take a closer look at the 15-minute time frame. Let's take a closer look to get a better overview. Yeah, there's a bit of volatility right after the launch, going up and then down. So, the thing is, people couldn't directly exchange their Bitcoins for ETFs. Institutions wanted cash, not Bitcoin. And that led to some selling of Bitcoin as people entered ETFs. The market dynamics shifted. And on the second day, institutions gained significantly. As you can see, Bitcoin dipped to $46,000, continued to decline, and now it's at $42,000. I strongly suspect that many dropped their Bitcoins and switched over to ETFs. Our negative stance on this was clear to me. However, we will definitely see a dip in the coming days, maybe even weeks. My estimate is that we will definitely fall down to $40,000 in the next few days, or weeks, before gradually rising again. That's it for the latest news. I'll keep you updated with video updates every other day. If you don't want to miss any information, when to enter or which charts and coins to consider, subscribe to the channel or follow me on Twitter. For exclusive content, join my Telegram group. I always post there first. Okay, crypto experts, in this regard, goodbye.